questions. We're playing a couple of games.
I can't. I've tried.
Nah. Time up.
I'm addicted to you like a
Time up.
drug, but hey, well.
Sorry, darling. Sorry, darling. 1/2. You didn't get the second one. I am keeping my money and you are giving me extra. Next one.
Let's go. I'll beat you this time around.
Love. That one
Love.
is easy.
Eh?
That one is easy
Love.
if you don't get it. Love.
My baby, yeah. I love you. My belly they turn me, yo. I love you. You've not heard that song?
Where's I'm not it. Who sang it?
I'm not saying, nah, I love you. Ask Moyo. Moyo is supposed to be playing that video off for so that they'll be hearing it. Can you imagine? Moyo, she says she has not heard that song. Can you just imagine? It's a song by me. It's titled I Love You.
Are you serious? I meant to know all your songs because I'm like your biggest fan. So I don't know how I don't know it. But anyway,
I don't know. Yeah, the title is I Love You. You're not a complete fan.
I will buy myself back.
Oh yeah, no, let's go.
Next word, gift.
Gift? You said gift? Oh yeah, gift.
Yes, gift.
Put off the lights.
Put off the lights.
I'll get at you, ball, baby, tonight. Gift. Oh yeah, put off the lights.
It's okay. You have shown yourself. Okay.
Yes, no.
3/4. Next one, food.
Food.
Your last word, food. Yes.
Food.
Yes, food.
It's Leave me make I feel mad. Give me food, make I feel. Food.
Nah.
Food. Who don't sing about food? This yeah, Basira, I don't just me. You gotta help me. Yeah, because people make una help me, yo. Yeah, Basira, you don't just me. Hey, everybody help save me, yo. I know they sabi chop on with my mother or my girlfriend. Food go kill you. Type Plus. Remix featuring Too Short and I forgot his other name. I know you've not heard that song. Yes, now I'm correct now.
I've heard it. It's pretty old. The song is pretty old.
But it counts.
Yeah?
It counts now.
Yeah, you try. So 4/5. Let's give it to you. Try. Are you there?
She said Style Plus. Yes, I'm here.
So next question.
Let's go.
Next question. Are you so at what point did you realize, okay, it is music for me? Because I remember in 2017 you were in Big Brother, yeah?
Uh-huh.
And then we know, yes, you were singing, but you did not really hold it tight like that. So at what point did you say, okay, it is music, it is me, like it's going to be music?
It has always been music. There was no point. Maybe since I started going to studio around 2010, so it's been a long while.
Okay, so is it like you started from? Is it like you started from
so Big Brother
choir?
Oh, that's the cliche story, but it's no lies. I actually joined the church choir in my JS2. So I used to go with my other sister's friend. See, let me explain something to you. I have very supportive fan base. You understand? They understand my growth process. They understand how I do my things, right? So they've gradually watched me evolve from just being the reality star they know to a motherfucking superstar artist. You got me? Yeah. So they don't want to be hearing you ask me BBM question or he who do he do he and she who do she. What I mean is that they know every level I am right now. Understand? So they know my WhatsApp. They know I have kidney and they know how I roll. So they will be expecting to ask me more questions that has to do with, you know what I mean? Yeah, I have my kidneys, yeah.
Where?
Look. Can you see?
No, I cannot see. Me, I know they see kidney for your head. Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Is it insult or just okay? Okay, fine. Not insult, right?
No, not insult. Put a finger down.
I'm ready now.
Are you there? Put a finger
I'm
down if you have sex chatted a stranger. Put a finger down if you have sex chatted a stranger.
My hand is up now. Why are you trying to confuse me?
Put a finger down if you have dated a married woman.
Nah. God will not allow me.
Put a finger down if you have stolen something.
Of course.
Okay. Put a finger down if you have had a one-night stand.
Yes.
Put a finger down if you have lied about your age.
Yeah, severally.
Okay. Put a finger down if you have dated more than one person at one time.
Okay, yeah, that year.
That year, okay. Put a finger down if you have cried over a woman.
Cried.
Yes.
Next one, alright.
Men have come. Put a finger down if you have lied on national TV.
As a public figure, it's natural. You have to.
Hallelujah. Put a finger down if you have crushed on a celebrity.
Crushed
On a
celebrity. Yes.
Can we ask which celebrity? Will you tell us?
Which celebrity? No, the crush has expired. You say if I have ever now, it don't pass.
So at the moment, you're not crushing on any celebrity.
No, right now, none.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I look into my eyes straight and tell me.
Yes,
Actually, you get mine though.
I'm sure.
You're not scared of the baby girl. Put a finger down if a homosexual person has toasted you.
Nah, I'm too masculine for niggas.
Sorry, I don't understand. Is it only feminine people that are homosexuals?
I don't know. You know, when you have conversation with certain colleagues, you hear them saying, one guy come my DM. None of those guys in here my DM. Like I say, the Lord know, they know.
Are you sure? You know, you look like a very sexy. You look like a very sexy. You know.
No, I just. No, funny enough, I just graduated to being sexy for the ladies recently. So it's not even moved past that one. We're still building that level, yeah.
Are you sure? Because I know, like in this comment section, I can already see Efe, I love you.
Yes, coming from the girls now. I'm a cheerful giver. I don't have energy.
You're a cheerful giver. Okay, so you always give anybody. Everyone
like
say,
for instance, like if you say, hey, what's up, man? I like this. Like in secondary, I like this your babe. I'll be like, hey, okay. You should say like, okay. I don't finish. You feel take over. That's small thing. No disrespect to the ladies, man. I love them.
Men
I'll give you instance.
Everybody, in fact, I regret them. Everybody's going up. I'm going to scream because this month, and we post it everywhere. What? Chef, nice one. So yes, we are done with that one. So question, yeah. What's
Yeah.
the weirdest thing you have done for money?
The weirdest thing I've done for money. What's the weirdest thing? Yo, what have I done? I can't think of anyone now. What have I done for money? Lie?
The weirdest
Maybe
thing. The
lie is
weirdest
not weird
thing.
now.
That is not everybody
Okay.
lying.
Weirdest thing, what have I done? Okay, probably slept with money in my body, like a chunk of it. Like tied it around my waist.
So do you know what I was expecting? Do you know what I was expecting you to say?
No. Okay,
You know,
so see the
carry
thing.
to
See
that.
what I said is the weirdest to me. Like, so we went for an event. They paid up front. So they lodged us in a hotel, but the place was just very suspicious. Sort of, it was just sketchy. So we said, well, you know, if I not perform, if the balance no deal. So manager went. We collected our balance. The guy was explaining here. We said, give us in cash. Collected our balance in cash. So I said, manager, if you hold this money, they go really say, if you no go hold this kind of money, so give me, I will sleep with the money. I will have the money. You
know
just
they even fear cancer. You know they fear cancer.
By morning we go jackpot. They go airport straight.
You know fear cancer.
So now I packed my money. I tied my money inside my body. Wore is my shirt with my jacket, and I slept like this.
Sorry. Question. Can it be at that point, armed robber entered the hotel?
No.
What you go do?
No. Two things. Me, I like money, but I like my life. I will give you this. When they say when there's life there, so I'll give you. But as based on what you know, the carry last and kidney day, you just got to operate within.
I was going to ask that question. Sorry. When you're done with this one, I want to ask another question.
And you know that the fact say you they lock your gates. Don't mean say thief no fit jump the fence, but you still they lock the gates. Abi? So now just the kidney be that you could just try your best at least to see if it go work.
Okay, so I've always wanted to ask this question from a worry person.
Yeah.
I am Yoruba. Yeah, I'm from
Omo Yoruba.
Omo Yoruba, you understand? You know, say we like this, we always fine. No, I'm not far from there. I'm from Abeokuta.
Okay. Yeah,
but fine. Like, yeah, we fine. No, we fine. That one. Where's my round of applause? We fine. But yes, I've always wanted to ask, when you see a worry person, there is a way you people carry it. Every little thing, worry, this one worry, that one worry. I say no. Now go first worry for this life. What is so special about a worry person?
It's just in very few words is our tenacity and the never say never spirit. So you know me, I'm a mixed breed, right? You know I'm originally from Delta State, but I grew up in Jos. So my own is advanced. Like I have a full worry blood with a Jos upbringing. So it gives me that position to be polite when it's necessary and to be street when it's necessary.
To be street.
Yeah.
Okay, so worry is always associated with street.
No, in the sense that two things. Worry people are naturally bold. They express themselves very well, and they don't give up. Whatever they're pursuing, they put all their hearts. And so it's like a ginger word for you. Just where they will say, I don't know, how did they hail in here? If they call you a bon or Omo Yoruba or whatever, you'll be feeling your peace. As far as I did this place, worry. We know they carry that sort of. And you feel like you're representing a whole nation, so you can't fall hand. That's the motivation.
Because like I've said is that if eventually I have to marry worry, because my children must have that. My children must have that
That's interesting. You're just married worry.
Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have very fine brothers around.
Fine brothers that are tall and have money.
The ones that, of course.
They are
Very
tall. They
much
get,
very molecule.
they
Yes,
get
so very,
hot
very,
one.
they did all right. Head to toe,
Slide into,
standard.
enter my DM after this live video. We'll
Okay,
talk
that
about
the
it.
shot. All right, already
You know what
there,
I'm saying? You know what I'm
already there,
saying? You know?
already there.
Haha. So another question. Are you single or you are taking or it is what it is?
My own case is very, very what's the word? I'm trying to be as organized with this. It's a dilemma, right? So I'm actually dating two people right now.
You are dating two people.
Yeah.
Okay. This just got interesting.
Yeah,
So
it's when they say you have a husband, I be your they know your husband, I be your boyfriend. What is
if ignore those words. Let's talk man to man. Let's talk
okay?
man
So,
to man
okay, we
here.
should address things one after the other.
You understand? If
So like I
you
was
just
saying,
said you are dating two
yes, two
people.
girls, and based on what is trendy, right?
Logistics.
I know, yeah, but you can say based on logistics. I noticed they say either you're single, taking, or you're in the boski. So I think
In
my
the
case
boasting.
is probably in the boski because it's two girls in the boski. You understand? So back to what I was saying is, are you hearing?
You lost me. You lost me, but
Yeah, no,
continue.
just back. So one's name is Belinda, and the other's name is Philomena.
Ah, wait, I know that it's like people are not saying this. Everybody's focusing on Oi. Everybody's
Because they've
focusing
heard
on
it
Oi
before.
here.
Yeah, see, they're focusing on you. They know my own story already because
Wait,
is the truth.
Efe, you are dating two people, Belinda and Philomena.
Philomena.
And you are
Yes.
saying it in public. Do both of them you are dating them?
Yes, they do know, and there's mutual respect.
I want to have this conversation with you after this live video. I need you to teach me. Show me the way.
It's both of them now, and it's been a fair journey so far, so good. Yeah, so we just as the tide comes.
Wait, somebody just said it's their music titles. Are you whining us? Are you actually serious?
Don't mind Taji BG us. It's just because she's saying that because I explained certain things. Because somebody asked me in my previous interview, somebody asked me more detailed questions. So I was just giving them the perfect scenario. So the person said, oh, yeah, actually my non-stop playlist is coming out 22nd of May, right?
Mm-hmm.
One of Belinda is the title of the second track, right? So
Okay.
I was supposed to have Philomena as the title of the track 4.
Okay.
Yeah, but so when I was when I was naming the playlist, right? I was really pissed at Philomena, so I switched the name to Samba.
Okay. Okay.
So that's why she's saying there are song titles. Yeah, you understand. So on the playlist, you only have Belinda, you don't have Philomena. Yeah.
But we should expect Philomena too, Abi.
What?
We should still expect
So,
Philomena, Abi.
no. The song is actually for Philomena, right? It's actually expressing
Okay.
what I feel about Philomena, right? But I did not
Okay.
name it Philomena again.
You named it Samba.
I need this Samba here. And even Philomena is even too long on a good day. And even that I was even angry. So it was just everything was just working against her.
Philomena, sorry, you have been played. Anyways, to our next game, yeah, and final game. I think that's all we
You're
can
putting
take
it
for
like that now,
today.
you're making her feel somehow. I'm remorseful about it. Don't say she has been played. It's just what happened within the moment.
So you are remorseful
But let's
about it.
continue. Let's continue. Yes, I feel bad about it.
No, you that I know, you are pretty talented, and it is not hard for you to come up with songs. Yeah, I know you come up with songs like on the spot, like that Corona freestyle. I really liked it. Yeah,
Oh, thanks. Yeah.
but so you can easily come up with one now and just name it Philomena because it is you.
Hopefully, I'll do that. I'll do
You
that. Like, I'll have to do it. Yes. But
you
I'd
did
even
that.
give it a special promotion. That's my plan. After the whole
Please
playlist is up.
send it. I am Team Philomena. Send it to me.
What are you doing? So why
I
are you
will
keeping
promote
Belinda?
it.
I don't see.
I will
They say
promote
there's
it.
no word like equalitarian. I don't know. One of my in the last me, I'm an equalitarian. Whether the word exists or not. You don't enter. I like balancing. Whatever is good for good is good for the gander. So please, Belinda is also a very sweet person. She's the one that even has the so
the what?
Philomena
has the what?
She has the
Belinda
has the
okay.
She has the
You're acting now like they are choir coordinators. They have the and have
yes, they have the and they have the yes.
They have the hallelujah. Amen. So on to the next one. I will give you one name and you will tell me the first thing that comes to your head. When you hear the name.
Right now, yeah.
You tell me the first thing that comes to your head. Like if I hear Efe, the first thing that comes to my head is money.
Nice.
Jonathan.
Mad. Yeah,
Jonathan.
Yes.
Okay. So
yes.
When you hear Buhari, what's the first thing you say? You think Buhari.
One chance.
Bobrisky.
One chance. Or Sinzu.
Bobrisky.
No comments.
No comments. Toke Makiwa.
Slay Mama.
Dino Melaye.
Cruz.
Gifty.
Hey, sweet girl.
Tonto Dike.
What's the word now? Unapologetic.
Unapologetic. Okay, that's new. Bisola.
Fun.
Etinosa.
You say who?
Etinosa.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. So, I'll give you 3 names. You marry one, you kiss one, you slap one. Are we good?
Is a marry one, kiss one, slap one?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Tiwa Savage, Tacha, Yemi Alade.
Tiwa Savage, Tacha, Yemi Alade. So which one will I marry? You say kiss, marry,
slap.
Kiss and slap. Okay. I will kiss Tiwa.
What? You will slap?
I will slap and I'll marry Yemi.
You will slap and you will marry Yemi. What is going to happen to Tacha?
No, you say
you're not going
slap,
to run away.
I say yes, then I will marry him.
You will slap who?
Okay, that's why I know it's slap now.
Tacha is slap.
Tacha, I'll slap Tacha.
Titan will come
you know
for
why?
You.
Let me explain you why.
Titans come for you in 3-2-1.
No, they should not come for me. See why. See.
Okay.
Yemi and Tiwa are older than me. I cannot be slapping my elder ones. So I can kiss and marry them. But Tacha is a younger sister, so I can slap her, like a younger sister.
Efe, you are a scammer. Worry sense. Oh, Jesus.
No, it's true now.
Worry sense.
Tacha is like a younger sister to me, so I can slap her, But I can't slap. I can't slap Tiwana or Yemina. Those are aunties. I'll kiss them and marry them. You know what I mean?
Kiss them, marry them. Nice boy.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Last one. If you were not doing music, what would you be doing?
If I was not doing music.
Money heist.
No, not kidding, no. Not kidding, no. I read economics, Why do you think I read economics? Because when I asked my mother a simple question, how do we get rich, sharp, or how do we make money? She said, you go to school. I said, hey, everybody is going to school. Where is the place that can? She said, hey, you can become central bank, they are printing money. I said, Then it's economics. And I went to read it. No joke. So if I'm not making music, man, I'm making money. You understand?
Write it down. If I'm not making music, I'm making money. Nice.
Yes,
nice,
sir. Yes,
nice,
sir. Yes,
nice.
Sir.
It's 2020. Nice.
Yes, sir.
So, that's what we're doing
today.
today.
Yeah, man. That's the gang, man. I want to know people that they should give me the first 4 things I said, the first 4 bars of my new song. Simple. Work for the money.
Can I win the money?
No, you are disqualified already.
Oh yeah.
Just type it in the comment section. Simple. You win the money.
First 4 things he said in show more.
Yes. First 4 things I said in show more.
First 4 things. Is Efe money. Nobody is winning our money. First 4 things he said in his new song. Can you see?
I mean, most of you have not gotten the song. You've not heard show more. Oh man, I'm disappointed, man.
I am disappointed because this song, I was going to do thriller video.
Hey, please do the thriller video, man. I can't wait, man. Please, that's my. Let me even tell my people, please. Just a thriller challenge. It's called Show More Challenge. Please use the Show More song to catch your vibe. Tag me, or just use the hashtag Show More Challenge, and I'll always come through to appreciate you and post. I'll be posting a lot on my IG page, so as much as I get, I would. So you said you're going to do a thriller video for me.
If I do, how much will you give me?
We'll discuss in the DM now. We've been talking about that since now.
You all are not ready. I'm about to buy
I think we have a winner. We have a winner.
And
yes, she has gotten it.
Andy
Ata, yes.
Step in the club. The castle.
Step in the club. The people they shout. So you see, as she step in the club, the casket don't fall. So congrats to Andy Ata.
So casket don't fall. So Andy Ata, send your account number to Plugtv Live, and we are gonna wire you the money ASAP.
You see? How about my people? So only 2 people so far now know this song. Sure.
Who else knows it? So me Exo still got it, but sorry, it's one person that we
one person.
But you even can send your account number to Efe money if it's capable.
Yes, I'm capable.
All of you forward your account number. If I will send my own too. Me, I know the song from beginning to end. I can sing it for you. I go even sing chorus, dance on top of. Efe, thank you very much for coming on our live video. Thanks for listening to us. Thanks for talking to us. Thank you.
Yes. I was for those watching, please, you guys should stream Show More. It's out on all platforms. It's on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, just everywhere. Y'all should show me love, man. Encourage my hustle, man. I've been trying to show you guys that without no matter what anybody's telling you, you can be who you want to be. You can push, even if the whole world is against you. So y'all should help me keep pushing this belief, because I just want to be an inspiration to all y'all. Now, I mean, on a serious note, you guys should help me subscribe to my YouTube channel, stream these jams. Let's vibe. I mean, I know they sabi my own doings. The guy to be. I feel just wake up, just give away for the challenge. But I just want to see my fans that are ready to just support me, regardless of whether we get we decide to say, okay, we'll give you money back. But we'll try our best. Let's just see what can come up. So you might luckily be the winner. So send your 3-hour challenge in.
My video, I could have plenty. You see, as I'm glowing in the sun. Do you understand?
No, but I'm not seeing the other. So I'm not seeing the rest of the. But so that we can recognize you.
Let me stand up. Let me stand up.
My Wally brothers are here. You say you're looking for us. We're here.
Wait. Hold on. You don't vex.
Nobody's in a rush.
I don't vex. You don't vex me. Nowhere to turn the phone. That's right.
No, that's
right. Can you see? Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, they've been commenting on you now. They were discussing your matter, but you were running now. They say you are married and you're coming to for you boys.
Well, it's not as if I'm not married, no, and it's not as if I'm married, no.
I'm confused.
I'm in the boski.
No, you cannot be in the boski. Your husband is here watching.
I'm in the boski. I'm liquid metal. I am not a preacher of love.
You are the war.
I'm the war. I'm the fight.
Yeah, very smart thing. All right now. Thanks for having me. I had a good
time. All right, take care of yourself.
You too.
Bye.